The Purchase Orders window is used to order inventory items from vendors. You can then receive the items as they are shipped in the Purchases/Receive Inventory window. Purchase orders can be edited by adding or removing line items and do not actually affect the amount in the accounts payable account until you receive the items ordered. You open the Purchase Orders window by selecting Tasks and then Purchase Orders from the menu bar. Start by selecting the vendor ID of the vendor for whom you are creating the purchase order from the drop-down of the same name. If you create purchase orders in an external application, enter the purchase order number into the PO number box. If you plan on printing the purchase order in Sage 50, then leave this field blank as it will be assigned during the print routine. Enter the date that the purchase order was created and set the good through date too. Your address information should appear in the Ship To field. If your billing address is different from your shipping address, you can enter the shipping address here. You may also notice a small checkbox for Close PO. Note that you can check this box to manually close a purchase order you created if you later learn that you won't be receiving all of the items ordered. It will automatically check itself when all items from a purchase order are received. Below that are the Customer SO, Customer Invoice Number, Discount Amount, Terms, Ship Via, and AP Account fields. After you have checked and changed that information, if needed, enter the goods and/or services you want to purchase into the line item area. If you are entering a PO for a vendor who is marked as a preferred vendor for a particular item, note that you can use the Autofill button to automatically add line items to the displayed purchase order for any low stock items that you routinely order from the currently selected vendor. The Received field indicates how many of those items were shipped on previous bills. The Item field shows the item ID of the items if used. The Description shows the description of the selected item. The GL Account field shows the item's inventory account. When ordering items not in inventory, it will default to the vendor's purchase account. This can be changed if needed. You also need to enter the unit price and amount. You can view the current vendor balance shown in the lower left corner. Clicking the right pointing arrow here will show you a report on the selected vendor. When you're ready, you can simply click the Save button to save the purchase order, and then print the purchase order if needed.